Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence can revolutionize the way we use chemical sensors? Let's dive into this intriguing topic. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been making waves in various industries, and chemical sensing technology is no exception. Chemical sensors play an integral role in many areas of our lives. In the medical field, they help with diagnosing diseases and tracking patient health. In environmental monitoring, they enable us to detect pollutants and track air quality. And in industrial process control, they're vital for maintaining safety and efficiency. But what if we could make these sensors even smarter? That's where AI comes in. By integrating AI with chemical sensors, we can enhance their capabilities, allowing for more accurate, efficient, and real-time data collection and analysis. This fusion of technology opens up a world of possibilities. As we delve deeper into the topic, we'll discover how AI is set to transform traditional methods of monitoring and data analysis in chemical sensing applications. How does the traditional way of monitoring and data analysis in chemical sensors compare with the new AI-enabled methods? This question might stir up some curiosity, and rightly so. Traditional chemical sensing methods have served us well over the years. They often require manual data collection and analysis, which, while reliable, can be time-consuming and labor-intensive. The collected data must be carefully scrutinized, analyzed, and interpreted by skilled personnel. This process can create a bottleneck in industries where speed and efficiency are key. Moreover, these traditional methods may not provide real-time monitoring, which can be crucial in rapidly changing chemical environments. Now, let's shift our focus to AI-enabled methods. In sharp contrast, they offer the ability to monitor chemical processes in real time. What does that mean? Well, it means you can observe changes as they happen, not after they've happened. This sort of real-time feedback can be invaluable in industries where chemical reactions are time-sensitive. AI also automates the process of data analysis. Instead of human personnel laboriously poring over data, AI algorithms can sift through vast amounts of information rapidly, picking out